Hello, thanks for tuning into my channel. Abatan Sherubin here. In this video, I'd love to show you how to explore correlation or relationship between two series of variables using Excel scatter plots. Example of relationship you could test for is relationship between ice cream sales and average temperature by day, hours of television watched by age group. Pro tip here: add a trend line or line of best fit to your scatter plot to quantify the correlation between the two variables. Or you can add an R-squared value to quantify how strong the correlation is. The other pro tip is correlation does not imply causation. What do I mean by that? It means two variables or series may be moving in same direction, but that doesn't mean one causes the other to happen or occur. So let's jump to Microsoft Excel and let me show you how to plot a scatter plot. But before we get started, if this is your first time on my channel and you'd love to be a Microsoft Excel pro with straight to the point tutorials, consider subscribing to my channel and turn on the notification bell to know when I drop new content every Wednesdays and Sundays. So let's go ahead and plot a scatter plot. Hi, welcome back from the short break. So here in Microsoft Excel, I have a very simple data set. This is what a team, a baseball team data set. We have the year, the team ID, league, division, home runs, runs scored, runs allowed, runs different. So if you are very familiar with a baseball game, all this should not be new to you. So what I want to do here is I want to see the correlation between runs scored and what and wins. So I have this column G and column K selected. So I want to compare if there's any correlation or relationship between these two variables or series. Once I have them selected, I will come to the Insert tab, Charts, Scatter Plots, and I just click Scatter Plots. Let me drag this here so you can see it very well. One thing you notice that what we have dots, so all these dots means teams. So let's format our charts. This is MLB teams. So let's add axis title. Runs scored, wins. So you have what the average score. The average run scored is, let's say, is 400, and the average wins is what is 40. So we need to format this our axis level. So let's make the minimum is what? Minimum here should be 400. So our teams can spread out on our chart. So the minimum win is 40. So you can see it's making more sense now. Let's drag this out a little bit. This is fine. You can see like that. So let's add a trend line. So to add a trend line, I'll simply come here, trend line, linear trend line. Let me select this because the two colors are too correlated. You'll say that again, you can see that. So I'll just format it to this. If you let's make this trend line a solid fill. Increase the width to 3 so you could see that very well. So these are our teams. Let's make it, they are markers, the teams are markers, so we just make it no line, make the fill, let's give it a solid fill with a light. Yeah, I think I like this hash, so it's making more sense. Let me go for this other one. Yeah, this is okay. You could see, so what you could see is that, so we could say there's not really much correlation between the wins and the runs scored. How do I know that? Let's add the R-squared value so it will tell us our answer pretty well. So this is the R-squared value. old. You see, the squared value was 0.26, which is really low. So this is it. This is exactly how to plot a scatter plot to show relationship between two variables. So guys, this is exactly how to plot a scatter plot. So if this tutorial was helpful and you found value in it, consider giving it a thumbs up and let me know how you feel about this video in the comment section. And please do subscribe to my channel, as I'll be dropping new content every Wednesdays and Sundays. So bye bye, see you in the next video. And don't forget, you could select any series or any variables you like. You could select the home runs and the wins and see if there's any correlation between them, so you could have a better idea